How to add weather to your Shopify store. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create or add weather widget to your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the online store here. And then in the online store page, you can click edit theme here. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor, as you can see. So let's say I want to add the weather widget in my homepage. So maybe in this area. So I'm gonna click add section here in the template tab. You can click on it, and then you can start custom liquid. This one you can click on it. And now you have to put the code here. So in order to get the code, you can go to website.com and then you can sign up for an account. After that, you can click explore widgets here. And then as you can see, you will find a lot of widgets here. Now we are looking for weather. So this one, you can click on it. And as you can see, you can create widget for free. Click on that button. And then now you can choose the template or the style. So maybe this one, or this one. It's up to you. If you want to make it simple like this or like this, I'm gonna choose this one. You can click continue, and then you can customize it, maybe for the text and the style also, and you can explore more. After that, you can just click add, and then this is the preview. If you think all good, you can just click publish, and then you can select a plan. I'm gonna choose the free one. After that, you will get the code here. So you can just copy the code and then go back to your website editor and then paste the code here. After that, you can wait for a few seconds until it appears in your website. And it's appear like this. It's perfect. So you can try another template. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.